My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. This vehicle has done just under 48,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have key features such as media, eco data, Apple and Android CarPlay, valet mode, in-control apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. If you press this button here, we can control the speed of the AC. And if we press this button here, we can switch between different driving modes and terrains. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black and grey contrast interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.